Oh, I think it seems we are live. So welcome to another live session, and you can guess on the screen. Of course, we don't have to mention. In fact, you mentioned in the comment section or in the chat window, and guess the office as well. This is not my office, unfortunately, but you can guess the office, whose office it is. And of course, they do watch SC Talks.
You guys carry on.
Okay, yes, playing as well. Great. Thank you so much, Hitesh sir, for all the help.
Always welcome, sir.
Great. So everyone, we are here for a quiz, and let me just close all this thing. Great. So we are here for a quiz, and we have a special guest on this show. We have Krish Nayak, and of course, you might be knowing him. Anyway, we share the common audience, right?
Thank you. Thank you, Naveen sir.
If someone
Yes.
wants to get into IT world, they do watch data science as well.
Yes.
Great.
Hello, guys. I hope everybody is doing fine. Well, and today we are going to have an interesting quiz itself.
Okay. So I want to know from you, Krish, how long it been you have worked on Java?
Java had started initially, just for I think 2 to 3 months, and then I worked on one simple project, just worked on core Java, and completely moved into .NET. It was like I was trained in Java, but got a project in .NET in short.
Oh, great. And once you move to .NET, you don't come back to Java, right?
No,
I mean,
no.
two different
After that, I went to
ecosystems.
data science only. So,
Great. So any topic you remember in Java? Because we'll be having some quiz question here.
everything about programming, like data structures. Then you probably have OOPS, object-oriented programming, writing modular code, logging exceptions, all this kind of things.
Oh, awesome.
So it's like I can code definitely. If you tell me, okay, I can do the setup, start coding.
Oh,
That is
great.
not a
Then
problem.
it will be fun. Great. So we have one of the audience member from LinkedIn. Yeah, that's right. We are live on 3 different platforms: Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And Deepak from LinkedIn says, I was just watching Naveen sir's spring course. So that's great. And hello, Mr. Naveen and Mr. Krish. Okay, so
Hello.
we have the
Hi,
common
guys.
audience. Great. And this is again random live. We just decided half an hour back, and then we thought, hey, let's go live. And this time, let's play a quiz. And luckily, I had some questions prepared, so let's use that. Now, how do we play this quiz? Of course, this is a fun quiz. We are not distributing any prizes, but just for checking if everything is going good with the Java language. Great. Now, how we are going to play this quiz? It's very simple. You just have to go to a website. Let me just mention that website name here, which is menti.com. Just mention in the chat. So just go to menti.com, and there, let me share my screen itself. Share the screen. Share screen. Okay. Now this is the first time I'm doing this. So I have to give the permission. Privacy is good, but not at this level, right?
I use Windows.
Once on a Windows, always on a Windows.
Yeah, that's great.
Or maybe I should specify. This is what happens when you go live randomly. You don't find things which we needed. Okay, great. So I'm sharing my screen. I hope you can see that. And what you have to do is you have to go to this page. So you can see there's a tab here, there's a website mentioned, which is menti.com. Go to menti.com, or if you are using mobile, they have to download the app, which will be time consuming, right? So go to menti.com and mention this code, which is 4927193. I would also suggest Krish to do that, and I will also do that. Anyway, I know the answers, but still, and Krish here don't know the answers.
Anyhow, I don't know the answer. Yeah.
Mention the code, which is 4927193.
Okay, this is Mentimeter, right?
Yeah, Mentimeter.
Mentimeter.com?
Yes. You have to go to menti.com.
Okay.
Okay. And the first question which you get there is just for fun. From which place you're playing. So mention your city, or someone says home. That was good. So you can mention your city name as well. I can see majority people are watching from Hyderabad. That's great. Okay, someone from Kalyan, Ambivali. So I'm from Kalyan, but currently I'm into Bangalore. I'm in the annual office.
Please wait for the presenter to show the next slide.
Yes. Let me also mention where I'm in the office.
I have written Bangalore studio.
Okay, it should be somewhere here. Bangalore studio. So, the size of this text is depend upon how many people answer the same thing. The
Yeah.
majority here is
This
Hyderabad.
is called as word to cloud, word to vec.
Yeah, word cloud, word cloud.
Yeah. So we use this in AI.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh,
I can create this in hardly 10 lines of code.
or maybe we should create our own software like we did, right?
Yes, I guess.
It's very costly.
Yeah.
So let's create our own.
Don't worry, sir. We'll create this then.
Yeah. Great. So maybe next time we'll play the same game, but in-house
In-house
product.
tool.
With this, let's go for the next question. So next question coming up on your screen. There are I guess 5 questions, right? Okay, before starting, let me do one more thing. Let me stop sharing. I forgot to add one important thing here, which is leaderboard. As I mentioned, right, this is just created in 5-10 minutes. Let me just add some leaderboards in between.
Yeah.
I hope you can't see the screen and you can't see the answer because I stopped sharing. Now, these are the features we need.
Okay.
Please.
Add leaderboard. Yes.
Leaderboards, and we'll do at the 9th question, and we'll do at the end as well.
You can set up a timer also, right? Oh yeah.
Yeah, the 30 seconds timer.
Okay.
And the best thing is you can also it depend upon your speed as well. It's not about right answer; it's also about the speed from which you do that. So let me share my screen again, and the tab is Java Quiz, which should be here. Share. Okay, present anyway. Okay, they saw one of the answer. My bad. Okay, so I can see so many people joined here. We have 153 entry. That's great. So mention your name and try to use proper name so that we can call out by your name, not weird names. I'm joining with Naveen.
I have joined with Krish.
Great. So mention your name, and I can see it's 169, 170, 171. We are waiting for. I don't know if they can see our face as well on stream.
No, I don't think so. I think you have to keep that in that StreamYard option. Yeah, they can see, I guess.
They have it.
Mm.
Something like this would be useful.
No. Yeah, this will be fine, I guess.
Maybe this one.
No, this will be very small.
Very good.
I think you can take the 4th one, I guess.
I guess that's only screen sharing.
Yeah. Okay, fine. This will be fine then. Perfect.
Great. Okay, so make sure that you join. We are waiting for around 200. Once we cross 200 joining, we'll start with the quiz.
Let's see who is good in Java, me or Naveen sir.
Of course, you are good, but I know the answers. And we also have a book here in case if we forgot the question, we forgot the answer, we'll refer from the book. Great. Okay, we touched 200 people, and then let's start with the game. Okay, and here we go. Coming up on your screen, the first question. Here we go. And of course, the speed is also important. So make sure that you answer that question very fast.
Array of bound index exception.
I guess I messed up. Just a second, guys.
I saw the option in the mobile app.
Then we had to start from the first question. I don't know what went wrong here.
I think that went directly to the 8th question, right?
Okay, we are again starting with the next new question here. Okay, question coming up on your screen. In which year Java was launched?
This I know.
Okay, it's 1991, 1995, 97, 2001.
I think it is 1995. I selected 1997.
Yeah, I think that's the correct answer. Let's see what others are answering. So we already got 190, 195 votes. So we still have 10 seconds. So the idea of Java came in around 1991. It took them around 3 to 4 years to develop, and then publicly they launched it in 1995.
Still, it is an open source.
Yes.
Amazing. So many right answers.
So that's
Mine is
right,
wrong.
128. So you come under that
1997 part.
Great. Any guess which language came first, Python or Java?
I think Python was also launched somewhere around 1991, I guess.
Yeah, it's before that, 1989.
Yes.
I was born.
I think Python.
And people, normally we have this conception that Python is a new language.
Yeah. But as an open source, I think both the programming languages are doing awesome.
Great. And the only reason why Java went down is because Oracle bought Java.
Yes.
And then they made it proprietary. You have to buy the license. And now they again made it free for Java 17.
So
They learn the
Python, I
lessons.
think they have learned from the history, right?
Yeah.
You cannot make it.
So keep it free. Keep it free.
Keep
for
it
the
free.
world.
Keep it as an open source.
Yeah.
Many people will participate.
Right.
See, it is saying so bad. It is like wrong answer. It is saying me
Yeah.
wrong answer.
Or is it you're giving a pop-up as well?
Yeah, see, wrong answer they have given.
Great. In fact, we also have Saurabh sir here who joined the session. Hello, sir.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. I'm
You're
just
watching
here
from the
to.
hotel. Oh, great. So Saurabh sir is just nearby. Just that he's not in the office now. He went for some work, and he's here online. Let's go for the next question, everyone. Saurabh sir, make sure that you go to menti.com.
Yes, Saurabh sir, please participate. I am losing over here.
Yeah. And maybe you can ping the right answers. And Krish sir here deliberately giving the wrong answers just to have fun. Let's go for the next question. Your voice is breaking a bit, sir.
Who's mine?
Yeah, now it's good. Now it's good.
Okay, let's go with the next question.
Next question coming up on your screen, everyone. And here we go. Second question. All set? Here we go. Answer fast to get more points. So you have to be very quick.
How to write
How to
comments?
write comments in Java? So is it the backtick which is there on the just below the escape key, or is it the hash? Is it
Come
double
on, now
slash?
selecting it. Finished a time or
Or is it no? It's we still
No,
have
no.
17 seconds.
no? I selected it. Yes.
Okay, let me
Thank-
give any answer here. I'm giving a wrong answer just to check if everything is working. You know the fun part.
Mm,
We always recommend people to write comments, right?
mm.
What they do is they mention the function name. Example, the function name is, let's say, print all the values.
Mm.
In the comments, they will also mention print all the values. They don't even mention. the
Yeah,
right
this
number.
is right. Mine
Oh,
is
that's
right.
majority.
Yeah, right.
That's awesome.
Yes, I am right.
The results
See,
surprised me. Many of the students are from Python background, I guess.
Yeah, that's hash, right? In Python, we use hash.
Right.
Yeah. And there is one person who went with double question mark.
I think he was
Yeah.
just selecting eeny, meeny, monkey. Yeah?
Yeah,
That-
really wonky. Great. Let's go for the third question. And coming up on your screen, oh, we have a leaderboard. Let's see who is doing well here.
I'm in 156th position. See this?
Oh, is it
So bad.
156?
One
Let
wrong
me just
basically
check
means
mine.
156.
Again, it's not even showing the
889 points.
186th position.
889 points.
Great. I got zero total points.
So two wrong answers.
I have
Okay, we got Moin.
950 points, huh?
Sorry?
I'm at 950 points.
Yeah, because you have given only one answer, right? For the first question, you were not there.
I have attempted only one, na?
Yeah, that's right. That's right. Okay, so we got Moin doing well, and there is a difference only of 1 point. See how fast they're answering.
Yeah, timing
Yeah.
matters a lot.
Yeah, so there's a difference of milliseconds, I guess. So Moin, good job. Tanik, Piyush, Siddharth, you can do well. Come on, next question. Here we go. Third question. Okay, we only did second question, right? Third question coming up on your screen, and here we go. JVM stands for
Come on,
what?
this everybody will answer, I get.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just to confuse people, I just given
my.
some weird names there.
Hey, I did not read the question. I just clicked it, I guess.
Me too. So the the options are Java Visual Machine Marker. I don't know what's that word even mean.
I know the answer, but I clicked the right one, I guess.
Java Virtual Machine, Java Virtual Manager, Java Visual Machine.
I think
it should be visual.
I'm the fastest over here. Just click.
Fastest to give wrong answer.
No, it's
No,
correct. It's
correct,
right
right?
answer. See,
Okay.
everybody. No.
Everybody. Okay, there's one person. See, there's one person who is
Okay, wrong.
deliberately giving wrong answer. Java Visual Machine.
I think now my leaderboard will get updated a little bit
Right.
high, I guess.
So the right answer is Java Virtual Machine, and it's one of the most important concepts when you learn
Yes.
Java, right?
Yes.
In fact, today we got someone for the interview.
Mm,
We hit the same question, but
Mm.
explain JVM.
mm.
So doesn't matter which company you work for or go for the interviews. This is a common question. They will ask you
Mm.
for JVM. And Saurabh sir was sitting there for the interview as well. And then suddenly he given the wrong answer. Saurabh sir, instead of becoming an interviewer, he became a teacher. He explained the entire concept for 10 minutes. You can't
Uh,
keep teacher away from the
True.
interview.
I have to explain. No,
Yeah.
he is giving a wrong answer every time, and I thought, being a teacher, this is my duty. I have to explain him.
Sir, I hope you did not save it tomorrow so you can come. I'll give another 2-hour session.
Okay.
I will
I
explain
guess
you everything.
Hitesh is also there in the chat. Hitesh sir, if you're there outside, come inside. Let's have some fun with the questions.
We have captured his office. He's standing
Yeah. So
outside.
this is Hitesh's office.
Uh,
So there's a public demand. Hitesh sir, come inside.
so why you people not including him?
Who, Hitesh sir?
I think he has a meeting.
I guess he's
he
busy
told.
with some other work.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the work was supposed to be here in his own office. He had some interview with someone, and then we requested for the office. He's like, okay, anything for you. So let's go for the next question, and I think it will be easy one this time. Come on, we have more people joining in. So if you have just joined this live session, if you don't know what is happening, we are just playing this fun quiz of Java. If you want to join this, just go to menti.com. You can see on your screen, which says menti.com, and enter that coupon code, which is 49. Not coupon code. That's a code.
Code.
No, we got used to the coupon code.
Discount coupon, no?
Discount coupon. So 4927193, and you will be inside this game. So next
Sir,
question coming up.
There is a comment
Yes.
from Braj Gopal Mukherjee. Sir, can we get Java-based DSA course from Shukla sir?
Oh, there's a demand, sir.
There is a demand.
Okay, and they don't even want to learn from me now.
No, sir. They want in Hindi.
Oh.
Telusko sir is known for English. आपसे हिंदी
Yeah.
सुनी नहीं लोगों ने.
हाँ, सिखा देंगे सर हिंदी में भी यार. Oh, great.
Okay, sir.
Fourth question coming up on your screen. And here we go. How many public class can be created in one Java file? Tricky one. I think it can be unlimited, right? बनाते बैठो है, अपना ही तो है. Just
I'll give
create a
an
Java
answer.
file and create as many classes as you want. But the question is, can you make it public?
So I've given the answer. I think it will be right.
Oh.
Sir, .NET है sir.
Yeah,
.NET
is almost
.NET
same,
is there. Almost everything
I
is
will tell you
there.
a story of .NET after this question.
I think it will be right, I guess.
Okay, for me, timed up, and okay, there's a
Yes.
mixed reaction.
I think I'll be in
from
the
one
leaderboard.
group and
Yeah,
the
I gave one.
I
I'll be in the
also
leaderboard.
I did correct.
Super fast I did. Super fast.
Yeah,
सर बोल रहा हूँ ना सर .NET
.NET
हम
आ
.NET
गया
से ही
बस.
आते हैं समझ में आ
Yeah.
जाता है सब कुछ.
right. And that's a fun part, right? Let me just stop sharing for some time, and then let's discuss about. Do we have a leaderboard after this?
I
Let's
guess.
talk about .NET for some time, since we have .NET person sitting in front of me. So let me stop sharing, and then let's merge this to screen.
Sir, what was the third option? I haven't read.
Unlimited.
Unlimited.
Unlimited. Oh my god.
Yeah. The way you eat unlimited food.
I
Okay,
just
so let
wanted
me
to
tell you a story
explain the
about
answer.
.NET. You know what happened? Sorry.
I just wanted to explain the answer also because teacher comes in me.
Yeah, please go ahead, sir.
No. This is just take on you, but
I'll start sharing his screen or Raj start writing over there. देखो भाई कैसे हो सकता है
कैसे हो
unlimited?
सकता है?
हाँ?
actually people get confused with the package concept. Na? They think there can be multiple public classes in one package. So you asked for one Java file, whether one Java file can contain multiple public classes or not. So
Right.
that was the trick, I guess.
If you could
So that's a trick.
ask this question with respect to constructors,
Yeah.
then change constructor with different parameters, right?
Right.
That would work definitely.
If
Let's have one more
suppose
trick.
you change the question, na? If suppose you said ki, in one package how many public classes we can make, then answer should be unlimited, na?
Right,
So
right.
with that mindset, maybe many of the students mark that unlimited option.
So here they should understand the feeling of Naveen sir. Then we were
they should
answering.
understand. In one Java file, in
How
one dot
Yes.
Java file, how many public classes they can have.
I understood. See, I saw that answer. I thought one.
Yeah. So, let me just go with the .NET story here. When Java was getting famous in 1985, in the same year, we got JavaScript. And they went for JavaScript word because Java was getting famous. And later on, Microsoft, they have this belief that, if there's a famous technology in the market, they want to own it. So they approached Sun Microsystem to buy Java, or maybe to buy the entire company. They rejected. They wanted to explore Java by themselves, Sun Microsystem. And then Microsoft was in a furious state by saying, "Aise kaise nahi diya."
Then they started
And
their
then
own.
they started working on their own platform by saying, "We will build a better technology than Java."
So to be frank, I got trained in .NET, okay, but I started from classic ASP.
Oh.
Classic ASP is that line by line compiler introduced,
Right.
So that was the first thing that came in .NET.
Right.
Later on, .NET framework came, like
Right.
1.0, 2.0.
Yeah, and then
Now
they
currently,
introduced
right now,
C# as well.
yeah. Then they introduced C# in probably 3. I don't remember now. It's been many years, but I started from classic ASP. So that was on like line by line. We used to debug each and everything. Go and write print statement everywhere.
Yeah.
Then try to see what is the output and then do it. So
Right.
that was interesting.
Yeah, ASP is cool. In fact, when I learned the JSP, it's almost similar.
Yeah.
The same goes for C# as well.
C#, yeah.
These people, Microsoft people, are so obsessed with Java. They took the Java syntax,
Core
and
Java
they copied
syntax,
everything in the C#.
C#, and they said, okay, let's introduce DSA also in this.
Yeah.
And start writing coding in that.
Right. Okay. Let's go for the next question. Let me just share my Chrome tab again.
Okay, sir,
I
I
think
have
you
to
need-
leave now because I have a
Oh
class.
yeah, right. We have a class, right? Okay.
So it's
Sure.
wonderful.
Thank you
having your
for joining,
session.
sir.
So okay, bye, Krish sir, bye.
Tata sir, bye bye.
sir.
Bye.
Great. Let's go for the next question. And here we go. Okay, we have a leaderboard. Let's see who is doing well. And
Minus 2805.
2805, you went down?
No,
No, the point
I'm
just
in
updated.
100.
The point just
Okay.
updated.
I'm in 100 place. Still, people are there. So many people.
Yeah.
Huh?
I mean, we have more than 200 people, or 270 people are joining this. Okay, so I can see Siddharth on top now. Deva is the fastest one to answer the last question, I guess, and that's why it says fastest. We got Phil, we got Mayur. Okay, so a lot of people have changed in the dashboard itself. Let's see who can do well. Next time, let's do also prize announcement.
Yeah, sure.
Because
Definitely.
people are really excited. Okay, let's go for the next question. And here we go. Fifth question coming up on your screen. And here we go. In Java, which inheritance is not allowed?
Where is the option? Where is the option?
Where's the option? Where's the option?
I did it. Yes.
All of this, not allowed. Will not do inheritance in anywhere.
No, just milliseconds.
Yeah, all of this.
I said .NET. Same thing. Same thing.
So instead of paying for 2 courses, pay for 1 course. Join 1 course, you will learn both.
Both.
So in C# as of there's the same concept, right?
Yeah, same.
Oh, great.
As you're saying,
Yeah.
Microsoft got angry from Java, then that will only come down.
Yeah. And let's see the answer. And here we go. Majority of you are saying multiple, and that is correct.
Correct.
Okay. And some people went for all of this. Good. That means Java does not support multiple. Java does not support inheritance. That's what you're saying. Oh, great. So Java does not support multiple because of the ambiguity issue. Same goes for C#. And that's the benefit, right? Once you learn one language, it is easier to explore the language as well.
Yeah. All programming language I feel is same only.
it's same.
Python, same thing. Everything is same almost.
True. Next question, sixth one. Come on, we only have 9 questions, and then remaining there are only 4 questions, and 6th question coming up on your screen. Here we go. Okay. In Java, what is string? We can create variables with the help of string, right? String variables.
Okay.
Okay, don't go for 5th option. By mistake, it clicked on extra option. Ignore the 5th option. Is it a primitive data type? Is it an interface? Is it a class? Is it annotation? Maybe annotation, I'm not sure. Let me give some answer. Let's see how you did. To be honest, I love the UI of Menti. It's very simple, works well. Okay, most of you are saying class, and
Class
that is correct.
correct.
It is a data type. Of course, it's a type. Class is a type, but it's not primitive type. Awesome. And some people went for option 5 as well.
They're just selecting.
So dhundo, daya dhundo.
See,
ye
many
kaun
people
hai
got
paanch?
confused with primitive data type, right?
Yeah.
Just see the keywords, what is used over there.
Right. Primitive is your int, float. Awesome. And I think we'll be having a leaderboard as well now. No, we have a 7th question. Okay, if you have just joined the live session, what we are doing is we are playing Menti. If you want to join, you can just go to menti.com. You can see on the up there and enter this code. So 3 more questions. Let's see who will win. And Krisha is very excited for the upcoming question. And here we go. Answer fast to get more points. Out in system.out is of what type? Is it of type system? Basically we can also rephrase this as object. Out is object of which class? To be very specific, I went for type because of course there will be people who will back.
I answered in 2.6 seconds.
Oh.
That was
Yeah,
as soon as you put question, 1 second will be happening there only.
You don't even look for the options, right? It should be here. Okay. Let's see the right answer. Is it system, print stream, object, output, and let's see the right answer. Okay, majority of you are saying print stream, and that is correct. The confusing point here is we normally say system.out. So people do think that out belongs to system.
System.
Yeah, it is created inside the system, but it is of static type, of type print stream. Is it same in C# as well, or because
in C# you have a different way, console.
Right?
Everything functionality is a little bit different. Syntax wise, it is.
Right. So it feels like, in the college days, we used to do this. We used to write assignments and someone will be copying it. But then we mentioned, don't copy exactly. Make
Some changes.
Great. Coming up with I guess we'll be having a leaderboard here. Okay. Next question. Oh, sorry. This came first, right? I already answered this.
I had answered this already.
Runtime exception. So array index out of bounds exception is a runtime
See, the
exception.
correct answer is coming over.
Oh, right. Okay, we have already done with this question.
I think last now.
Yeah. So this is the leaderboard. Let's see who is doing well. Now it will change a bit. So Devi Prasad is the winner.
Wow.
There was supposed to be one more question. Something went wrong.
9th question went ahead.
Yeah.
So what is it? I got somewhere around 4,786
See, we have one more question, and then we got a leaderboard by announcing the winner as well. So Dev Ashish was the winner.
But one more question. Question 9 of 9. Get ready to play.
Bonus question there. But the winner is, we have already announced the winner, which is Devi Prasad Dash. How do you spell? Is it your surname? Not sure.
Dash.
Second position, we have Mayur.
I got somewhere around 4,786.
Oh,
my
that's a good
ranking
number.
is 97.
97.
I can teach Java then now.
Yeah. Right. Last question, sir. This is not related to CoJava. This is more of a tool. Let's see who can answer this. And here we go.
Hibernate is -2.
Hibernate is a dash tool. Is it a web tool? Is it a ORM tool? Is it a test tool?
Only 3 options. 1/3 probability. People will just
Yeah, randomly. For web, we normally use servlets. In .NET, we have ASP, right?
ASP.
So they combine ASP with C# to build application in .NET.
For desktop application also, they have something else.
Okay.
It's like that. For web, you have this. For this.
Yeah. There was one more language called J#, if I'm not wrong. They removed it later.
In C#?
In .NET framework, there's a language called F#, J#. It's
I
around
think
2007 or 8.
Oh my God, I got passed out at 2011, sir.
Great. And the right answer is ORM.
ORM.
That's correct, which is object relational mapping. You can directly dump an object into database with the help of Hibernate. What tool we use in .NET for ORM?
Like Hibernate, this is specifically for,
This
if you
is
say,
for, this is for Java.
I just need to understand what all tasks we can do through ORM.
It's basically take an object and
Hmm.
dump it to tables.
Tables. So I think there is something that
Yeah.
we can do through that.
Right.
But I'm just not remembering the name, I guess.
It's
Something
been,
is
it's been
there.
a long time. It's been a
Yeah,
long time.
2011.
Yeah. Right. Great. So I think this was a fun session, right? Let me know in the chat window how much you enjoyed this session. Not sure if do we have a last slide. Okay, that's the end of presentation. And as I mentioned, this was a quick live. Stop sharing.
This video is not sponsored by Centimeter.
Oh, camera is gone. Battery dead.
Battery is dead, I
So
guess.
that's okay. This is a real podcast where you cannot see the screen, but you can see our face. You can hear the voice.
No, it's okay. You have to add that probably laptop camera, I guess.
Yeah, we can
Okay.
do that here. Coming back to the normal quality. Okay, now you can't see both. Let me try with me. So thank you so much, Chris, sir, for joining.
Chalo, tata.
See you in the next
Have a
live.
great day. Yes.
Let's
amazing.
do one more Menti on
Yeah.
your channel on data science.
Sure.
I will try to answer.
Sure. Definitely. And what we can do, we can also keep some prize money and all.
Yes, sure.
Hmm?
So when
Okay.
you want to plan this? Next week? Next
Um,
Saturday?
I don't know if mood sets up tomorrow only.
Tomorrow itself. So let me in the chat window if you're excited for data science quiz.
Yes.
And we'll announce some prizes as well.
Sure, sir. Sure.
So thank you so much everyone for joining. See you in the next live. This was a Java fun quiz. Hit that like button if you enjoyed, and make sure that you subscribe Krishna Naik sir channel. They can search for your name as
Yeah,
well.
yeah,
right?
Krishna Naik,
Naik,
yes,
and
sir.
of course you know him. If you are not subscribed, make sure that you subscribe. Make sure to subscribe the Telusko channel as well. And that's it. See you in the next live, everyone.
Great. Bye bye, everybody.